Well, I made it back to the shop and I'm looking for stuff because we're getting ready to build a screen door for the coop. And I did the right thing and went and found, the stuff is straighter than a Bud Light to build it out of. I honestly didn't think it was gonna be like this until, it sat outside for a couple of days and dried up some. So that's what I got to work with. Let me go ahead and get this stretched out on the floor and see what all measurements I got to work with, and see what the first thing is I screw up. Me and the old doctor, we sat and talked about it, tried to figure out all the elements, and I think we got a plan together. So I'm fixing to install up 1, 2, 3 pieces 27 inches long, 2 pieces 76 inches long, and when we put that together, that should be 76 by 34, unless my math is incorrect. That's possible. If not, I just blame it on the doctor. I think I cut all the Bud Light out of the boards, so they look like they're about as straight as a Miller now. That's a good thing. Now I gotta go find Mr. Craig and jig and see about, using the glue ointment and salve, and let's get her together. After we do that, I'll probably put, the X patterns and, that sort of stuff. Because triangles make stuff stronger. That's the plan anyways. Well, I found Mr. Craig Jig and all of his friends, Mr. Sav and Drill and Impact. But now I don't remember how this thing works because it's been used since I've used it. Looks like I'm gonna have to have a clamp. I forgot about that. Set the drilling depth. All of it. Empty box equals spit tune. Oh, Goodwill shirt came unbuttoned. It's coming back to me now. I just need a darn clamp. That there looks like a good winner. Come here, Mr. Harbor Freak. Oh, good gravy. Now what? Enjoy it. Did I do it right? Looks right enough for me. And that's what we got. Pockets. 2 pockets. I don't know what good this is gonna do for exterior use because it literally says interior right there. But Mr. Dr. Pepper said we need to use it, so that's what we're using for our helmet. I got the workbench backed up to the front door here because my knees. It's time for me to stand. So the next progress, I think, is to get the wire that I hope I have enough of. If the calculator worked out right, I should have. Golly, it's just stiff. Tell you what I'm doing right now is getting my staple gun ready. There's that one. Now, what do I do with my flosser? Come on now. Always something. Come on, be enough. And it ain't. Go figure. Well, guess we're gonna have to piece this one. Bingo. All that galvanized, I guess what that white powder is. Don't go sniffing it. We might have had to go around the country to get this done, but we got it did. There ain't no critters gonna get in there, I don't think. What to do? Perfect solution. Safety wire. Because it's right here handy. Now there ain't no critter getting in there. We'll put one more. And we got one completed screen door. Guaranteed to last till the next wind comes. So I got the screen door put on yesterday. Look, it fits. Hopefully it'll last. And I even put a latch on here for the youngins. They can hold it and put the other latch on. Look at there. Maybe all that'll work out. I know I gotta get them stinking ass chickens out of the garage. So now I'm gonna take this, cut it up, so I can block these holes and make them look like shutters. And I got the workbench backed up under the carport here a little bit because it is a little misty rain out here today. Let's see what we can't get started or finish. Hopefully we can finish this sucker for the most part up. The only thing I really want to do later is put the trim up here to cover them guards or holes, gaps. I'll spit it out right in a minute. And the one that goes from side to side up there. Well, I gotta make this quick. It's starting to rain. But we got, you know, the make-believe shutters on the wall. Both sides, see? Got that one too. Really the only thing I got left to do before they come out here is put on some roosting stuff up. Here's a quick glance inside here. Of course, like I say, that's the trim and stuff I still gotta put up, but it ain't gonna hurt nothing for now. We got some daylight visible. Well, you might get the kids with some mud or something and fill that up. But it's pretty tall. Like I said, I might be hanging out here with the chickens. Well, I know this was a little bit of off our flavor of things that we do, but I mean, it's part of what we gotta do. Kids wanted chickens. I guess I'll try to find something so they can have some chickens. And I appreciate each and every one of y'all subscribing, liking, leaving a comment. If you ain't already, go ahead and do so. It really helps me out and it don't cost you a thing. Well, I hope this wraps up this chicken coop build, because I am getting sick and tired of working on it. And I'm ready to get back on some projects. I got one stashed back that I'm really wanting to start on, and think y'all might get a kick out of it. Who knows? Appreciate y'all.